Okay, so to create our head bobbing, we will use Unreal Engine's camera shakes to shake our camera a little bit while we're walking and sprinting. So let's go to content drawer, content, and into main. Here we will create a new folder for effects because we will add more stuff to the effects later. So let's just go to effects, and here we will create another folder. It will be called camera shakes. And now we will right click, blueprint class, and now we will expand this all classes. And we have to search for legacy camera shake. Let's select one and call this CS for camera shake and idle, for example. And now let's open it up. Here you can see we have this details panel where we can change some different settings. And here we will just tweak a couple of values. First value, you can see it is a duration in seconds of current screen shake. And I will set it to 0.25. We also need to make sure that this single instance is checked, and this will make sure that we only allow a single instance of this shake class to play at any given time. So when we will go from idle to running, we will make sure that only the running camera shake is playing. And here you can see we can change rotation and location in many different ways. So let's just expand everything. And for idle, amplitude will be 0.5, pitch frequency will be 3.5 because we don't need any crazy camera shakes where we will in idle. And here for the yaw, we will go for 0.4 and to in frequency. We'll also go to roll, so how the camera rotates a little bit, and we will just add a 0.2 and 1 for frequency. And of course, these are just my values. You can do whatever you want. You can play with these values however you please and just find something that will fit your game. And as for location, we will not use any of this. So we don't need to expand this, by the way. So let's just compile. And now we will duplicate this and we will call this class CS for camera shake walk. Okay, let's just open it up. And here we will leave these settings as they were before, so 0.25 on this duration. Also make sure that this single instance is checked. And here we will just play with these values. So for walking, I want this amplitude to be slightly higher, so I will go 0.6. But I want to increase the frequency, and we will go for 7.5. Here we will leave this as 0.4, and we will just change the frequency to 6. And on your roll, we will increase the amplitude to 0.3 and frequency to 4. Compile, save, and now we can duplicate it one more time, and this will be called CS run. Let's open it up. Same settings here and here, but for the pitch, we will increase the frequency to 17. As for the yaw amplitude, it will be 0.5, but the frequency will be 8. And for roll amplitude, it will be 0.4 and frequency will be 5. Compile and save. Okay, so now we have these camera shakes and we want to create a function that will switch between these camera shakes as we switch between running, walking, and just standing still. Let's see how we can do that.